In this video, there are 20 incorrect sentences. Let's see if you can spot them. The first incorrect sentence is, he did a mistake in his report. The correct sentence is, he made a mistake in his report. We don't say, do a mistake in English. The correct verb is make, because a mistake is something you create, not something you do. I'm looking forward to see you. The correct sentence is, I'm looking forward to seeing you. After looking forward to, we always use a verb ending in ing, not the base form. I didn't saw him in class yesterday. The correct sentence is, I didn't see him in class yesterday. After didn't, we always use the base form of the verb, not the past form. He is more taller than me. The correct sentence is, he is taller than me. The word taller already shows comparison, so adding more is unnecessary. We use er for short adjectives and more only for longer adjectives. I have visited Paris last year. The correct sentence is, I visited Paris last year. We don't use have with a specific past time like yesterday or last year. The present perfect tense is used for experiences without mentioning when they happened. But when you say last year, the time is clear, so we use the simple past tense instead. I am good in English. The correct sentence is, I am good at English. We don't say good in when talking about a skill or subject. We use good at for abilities and skills, things we can do well. We only use good in when referring to a place or situation. I prefer coffee than tea. The correct sentence is, I prefer coffee to tea. We don't say prefer than in English. After prefer, we use to, not than. She is very afraid of spiders. The correct sentence is, she is really afraid of spiders. Afraid is an emotional adjective that doesn't usually combine with very. We use really for emotional states and very for normal adjectives. Let's discuss about this. The correct sentence is, let's discuss this. We don't use about after discuss. The verb discuss already means to talk about something, so adding about is unnecessary. I didn't know that. The correct sentence is, I didn't know that. We don't say didn't knew, because did already shows the past tense. After didn't, we use the verb in its base form, not the past form. It is more easy to take the lift. The correct sentence is, it is easier to take the lift. We don't say more easy in English because easy is a short adjective. For short adjectives like easy, fast, or tall, we add er to make the comparative form. We use more only with longer adjectives like beautiful or expensive. I have 2 luggages. The correct sentence is, I have 2 pieces of luggage. The word luggage is uncountable, so we don't say luggages. When we want to talk about quantity, we use pieces of luggage. I received a check of $100. The correct sentence is, I received a check for $100. We don't say a check of in English. When we talk about the amount of money written on a check, we use for, not of. The word for shows the purpose or the value the check represents, the amount it was made out for. The weather forecast says it will rain. The correct sentence is, the weather forecast says it will rain. The word weather should be weather because we are talking about rain, sunshine, and temperature, things related to the climate. The word weather is only used when you are choosing between 2 options, such as, I don't know whether to go out or stay home. The waiter sent the order to the table. The correct sentence is, the waiter brought the order to the table. We don't use sent in this situation because the waiter is physically carrying the food to the table. The verb send means to make something go somewhere without going yourself, like sending an email or sending a letter. When someone moves with the item, we use bring or take, depending on the direction. He gave me many good advices. The correct sentence is, he gave me a lot of good advice. The word advice is uncountable, so we don't say advices. We use advice for both one and many pieces of guidance. When we want to show quantity, we can say a piece of advice, some advice, or a lot of advice. I am thinking to buy a new phone. The correct sentence is, I am thinking of buying a new phone. We don't say thinking to in English. After thinking, we use of or about, followed by a verb ending in ing, to show what we are considering or planning to do. I met her yesterday night. The correct sentence is, I met her last night. In English, we don't say yesterday night. Instead, we use last night to talk about the night before today. The word yesterday is only used with daytime expressions, like yesterday morning or yesterday afternoon. I am not understanding this. The correct sentence is, I do not understand this. We don't say, am understanding, because understand is not an action you can see or do. It's a state of mind. That's why we say, I do not understand this. We use the simple present tense instead of the continuous tense. He told that he was tired. The correct sentence is, he said that he was tired. We use say when we don't mention who was spoken to, and tell when we do. So, he said that he was tired, or he told me that he was tired. Both are correct, depending on the context. That is the end of the quiz. Did you manage to spot all the mistakes? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English quizzes. And thanks for watching.